It's an amazing feeling not paying for schooling and just going.
It felt amazing. It was liberating. It was nice. It was something I was scared of doing, but like being able to do it and get over that, it's a good feeling. I know it's expensive. I know a lot of people are looking for it, and to be able to just show up, get paid, learn. That's all you got to do. It's pretty nice.
We are in Placerville. We're taking the utility line arborist clearance training.
Today we're climbing trees.
Man, it's tiring though, huh?
This program is accelerated for the Cs. Usually it's a 1-year program, but they condensed it into 5 weeks.
We do 10 hours a day.
It's very intense, but once you get through it, you get CPR certified, arborist certified, flagger certified, and of course OSHA certified.
Walk your feet down, walk your feet.
There's plenty of job opportunities in the arborist field.
Yeah, that is so much upper body strength.
This training would definitely give me a big head start and make me stand out compared to other applicants. This training gives you some chainsaw experience and some tree climbing and cutting experience.
Climbing up and rescuing someone in case they get stuck on a tree.
I've been taught 18 different kinds of knots that I could use.
This is an essential skill I can use for everyday life. Say I want my own property, I can maintain my own property with the skills I attain here.
I really like it. I always liked it outdoors, so for me to climb up trees, learn as an arborist is really worth it.
With my training, with the amazing teachers that are teaching me, I feel confident.
Having teachers who are enthusiastic to help you feels amazing. It feels good to be part of this course.
Good job, you guys.